Hello everyone, we're going to the allotment to check out the corn, and as always I'm going to be taking you along with me. I'm here with my brother-in-law. I spot the corn from a distance. The idea was to plant the corn on one side of the farm, so some of the corn did not germinate, which explains the holes in between, but I planted peanuts in between. That's one. There's some peanuts going on, so it needs weeding. The garden needs weeding. What I'm doing is just removing the bottom leaves, bottom pruning the corn, and also healing the corn, which just means that I am putting soil, building a little mound at the bottom to give it some stability, just in case it rains with a strong wind. It can have some support at the base of the corn. So like this one, I will put a little mound under after removing these bottom leaves, like that. The work we have done. This is a solid hour of work, pulling weed, bottom trimming the corn, and healing the corn. Also the peanuts, let's not forget the peanuts. It's looking a whole lot better. A whole lot better. Guys, that's a wrap. We did a lot of work today. I am so proud of what we were able to accomplish. We pulled a lot of the weed, healed the corn some, bottom pruned by removing the leaves from the bottom of the corn, and then I also watered the garden, the very tedious task of hand watering. That's what I have to do here at the allotment. But at the end of the day, I am proud of the results. By some luck, we might harvest some corn from the farm, from the allotment this year. It is an experiment for this year. A lot I am learning. Hopefully next planting season, I am going to do a lot better. Keep watching, keep following this space as I teach you what I learned about allotment gardening in the USA. Until next time, guys, grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Bye. These are the peppers. See? I don't even forget the kind of pepper. So yeah, see what that's so tasty there. No, the knife that is down there on the ground. I will label and we don't surely wash it. Scotch bonnet. Okay. Scotch bonnet peppers. Some okra that I planted is now covered in weed. Okra can tolerate this extreme heat and even dry conditions. And then these ones, see, that's the white velvet okra, and then this one is regular okra. White velvet okra.